Hi, and welcome to this episode of John's Motorcycle Rescue and Review. It's been another busy but fun week here. We've been enjoying some fantastic weather here in South Central Pennsylvania, so there's been lots going on motorcycle-wise here at the shop. This past weekend was Labor Day weekend. Happy belated Labor Day, everyone here in the U.S. During the long weekend, I was able to go on several nice motorcycle rides with my wife. We went to Blue Marsh Lake first for a picnic and some hiking. That was just a beautiful ride on a gorgeous day in a beautiful setting. The next ride we did was to Moton, Pennsylvania, where we visited Nolde Forest for another picnic and hike. And again, it was just perfect weather and a beautiful ride to and from Moton. If you like great motorcycle related content and you want to help support this channel, you might want to consider becoming a member. Depending on the level of membership, members get additional bonus features such as early access to new videos and bonus content on this channel. And your support will help me continue to make good quality motorcycle content for you to enjoy. This week, I've also made a lot of progress on the ZZR1200 project that I've got. I removed all the body panels from that motorcycle to access the air filter on the bike and to fully service it. While checking the air filter, I realized that the one that was in it was horrible. It was probably the original air filter, and so I have ordered a new one for that, and that will go in as soon as I get it. And while I was in there and had the bodywork off, I decided it'd be a great time to replace the steering stem bearings on that bike. The ZZR is a little bit unique in that it came with ball bearings in the steering stem instead of the tapered roller bearings that are more common. And a common upgrade on those is to replace the ball bearings with tapered roller bearings. So that's currently in process. I'm also in process on the review video for the Kawasaki ZZR1200, and that promises to be a really fun one as well.
Oh man.
On a sad note, in August, I said goodbye to a bike that I've had here at the shop for the longest period of time that I've ever owned any one motorcycle. That bike was my 1982 Suzuki GS1100G. I have featured that motorcycle on the channel many times over the years. I have a playlist for the 1982 GS1100G. You can click the link above to view that. If you just want to view the review video for the GS1100G, you can click the link above. Also, on the shop side of things, I have fully serviced the 1986 Honda Nighthawk S. That was featured in a review video last week. I'm currently working on a comparison video between the Nighthawk 700S and the later Nighthawk 750, where I go through the bikes and show the technical differences between the two and give a short ride video for each one and kind of explain the differences between those. So you'll definitely want to stay tuned for that.
Very nice.
On the motorcycle show front, September promises to be an awesome month. We have the Ephrata breakfast ride that's coming up on the 7th. We also have the Martin Moto Classic Motorcycle Show coming up on September 20th. That will be held at Martin Moto in Boyertown, PA. And finally, I'm looking forward to the Leesport Classic Motorcycle Show and Swap Meet that's happening in Leesport, PA on September 27th. I plan on doing videos covering my highlights from all of those shows, so you definitely want to stay tuned for those if you like classic motorcycles. All right, guys, that wraps up my update for this week. I hope you guys had an awesome Labor Day. If you went on a Labor Day ride, please put a comment in the comment section below outlining where you rode, what you rode. I'd love to hear from you guys. As always, I hope you found this video entertaining and informative, and until next time, enjoy the ride.